Welcome everyone to Stroll with Addy, and in this journey we'll be going from Australia to Philippines. Firstly we'll be heading from Melbourne to Manila, then we'll go to Tagaytay, Coron, El Nido, Puerto Princesa and Boracay. Alright guys, so first of all now we are going to Barracuda Lake. That's our first stop. While on our way to the island, I just want to let you know the quick cost. Basically the total cost was 10,200 pesos, but if we break that up, boat cost itself was 3,000 pesos, tour and tax was 4,200 pesos. So when I say tour and tax, you have to pay to the island as well when you go to individual island, and the kayak was 1,500 each, so we had 2 kayaks, so that's 3,000 pesos. So it comes to the total of 10,200 pesos. That is excluding the food that we got earlier in the market. For 4 of us, the food cost total was 1,690 pesos, so that included the drink and food. So captain's gonna cook that food for us while we go to a private island. Stay tuned guys, you're gonna see that. Firstly, let's go to the Barracuda Lake. Let's go. Alright guys, getting off the boat. We are at the shore. Woo! The boat's moving guys, the boat's moving. Okay. Nah, it's alright, it's alright. Woo! Alright guys, so we are at Barracuda Lake, first island that we are at. Alright, let's explore it. Let's see the island, let's see the beautiful water, let's see the nature. Alright, this is the check-in counter. So basically you have to get the ticket there. Alright, so there's a step that goes up. So pretty much you go through the steps after you pay for your ticket. As you can see guys, this is beautiful. Alright, so steps are like pretty steep, so you just have to be careful. Right, so we are at the Barracuda Lake. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how Barracuda Lake is. Look at the depth guys, look at the depth. It's literally really deep. Alright guys, right in Barracuda Lake. And it's absolutely deep, especially when you look down. It's amazing. First stop, Barracuda Lake. This thing here is a lifesaver. Even if you're a good swimmer, I would recommend this. You don't need to do anything. You just go in the water, float. You need a snorkeling gear. You got it, because you don't want to miss anything down there. It's absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, first stop done. Amazing views, amazing water. If you come to Coron, definitely an island to visit. You go swim, that's what they do for you. They're cooking for you. Amazing. Where are we going?
Yeah. Twin Lagoon.
Twin Lagoon.
Yeah.
Okay, that's Twin Lagoon.
This is entrance. Twin Lagoon. We have tunnel.
Tunnel, okay.
If you see the tunnel,
Yeah.
you can move inside and then the exit here.
What he's saying is you gotta go there, Twin Lagoon, take the kayak, go through the tunnel, and the exit's gonna be here. Yep, okay.
The island.
Around the island, this island, yes, okay. Alright guys, so we are kayaking at Twin Lagoon, and as you can see I'm kayaking at the moment and Charlotte's taking the video. Just for you guys, have a look at the cinematic view. So we are out of kayak. Now we are going to the beach. What island?
Imanglot Island. Private.
Oh, okay. Private island. Oh, wow. Alright guys, so we are in this private beach at the moment. Basically, there's no one, to be honest. Like, there's few people. Bottom line is you're gonna be early. Not many people are around. If you look at the beaches here, there's only 2 boats. The other boat just came in. Our boat is right there. As you can see, far away, there's not even one boat. So it is 11 o'clock in the morning right now, and then the heat is extremely hot, but you're in the beach, man. Like, you know, that's what you want. Enjoy the cinematic view of the private beach. That's our boat, Errol John, and then the captain and his brother is cooking for us. Another thing, guys, like, before this one we did kayak. So as you saw that earlier, kayak was a good experience, but only for first half an hour. We were supposed to go behind the cliff and then go to a tunnel, like an underground cliff, but there was high tide. Water level was high. We couldn't put our kayak in the tunnel to come to the other side, so we had to make a turn and then go all the way around, and that got us into an open sea. Bit dangerous, I would say. Keep in mind about that thing. Hello, Mr. Island Puppy. How you doing? You're a cutie pie. Come here, baby. All right, guys, check this food out. Amazing. That's for the vegetarian, grilled veggies. There you go. That's the pork belly that we got in the morning from the market, and then that's the fish that we got in the morning as well, and that's rice there. Captain cooked us all the food. Look at this. It's a feast, guys. It's a feast. At our lunch, delicious lunch. I think it was a perfect food for the perfect day. No one lives over here, but I'm not sure how they maintain it. I remember that 200 pesos that we gave for environmental fee that does all these things, like, maintenance, cleaning and everything. This beach was amazing. So check out these views, guys. We are off this island now and heading towards, where are we going? CYC Island. People are now coming and eating their lunch, but we already finished and it's 12 o'clock at the moment. We are ready to go. Let's go, enjoy. There you go. As you can see, some people have just come in. That boat's leaving. We are leaving too. Alright, guys, so we are at CYC Beach. People are swimming here, so it looks like it's just a beach and you can snorkel as well. We are going to snorkel. So as you can see, guys, all the boats are docked and people are swimming and snorkeling. And look at that, the beach is right there as well. As you can see on the other side as well, there are a few boats. Look at that coral, guys. Let's go, let's do it. Alright, guys, so we just had a good swim at CYC Beach and now we are going to, not sure where. Let's check it out, where the captain's gonna take. Let's have fun. Let's go. We are going to Lagoon, all the cliff. It's so amazing, guys. Like, it's beautiful. Enjoy the beauty. Let's go. Alright, guys, so we are at Dayunamutungkayangan Lake. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. As you can see behind me, this boat. The boat leaves you here. And what you're going to do is you're going to go all the way up. There's a stage that takes you right up. There is a place to dive. And this is the entrance. Alright, so maximum time, it says 40 minutes, but our captain said 1 hour. Alright, let's go up. Just have to hike all the way up, and I'm not sure how far it is, but let's go and let's check it out. By the time you go up, it's probably gonna get really hot. I can't wait to go in and see the lake. We've just come this much. All right, so let's keep walking, and you can see all these stones, guys, all this beautiful formation. It just looks amazing. We are almost there. Let's go, let's go. I think, guys, I can see the lake. It looks really beautiful from here. It's massive, big. Let's check it out. That's where exactly we're gonna go. I can see water there. We're gonna go all downhill now. Let's go. I think it's 12:30 by now, 12:30, 1 o'clock, and the sun is right above my head. It's burning hot, like my skins are burning. So every time I go in the water, I feel really chill and cool. But as soon as I come out, it's really hot. So I think that's a perfect combination to get a sunburn. While coming to the topic of the sunburn, make sure to get a sunscreen. Prepare yourself, guys, and then come to the beautiful place like this. All right, so without further ado, I'm gonna go jump in the water, guys. I'll bring up the cinematic view of this place. Let's go, let's do it. Everything down there is beautiful. I went right across this, all the way to the cliff, where people are, as you can see right there. That's where the amazing caves are. If you are a diver and if you don't need the jacket, you can actually dive in and actually see it. Alright, guys, So we've done this lake as well. I hope you liked it. Like Barracuda Lake, and this one was I think the deepest lagoon. Now let's get back onto the boat, and then the two more island hopping left. So we'll just hop into those islands and then see if it's a beach or a lagoon, and then we'll go back to the Coron city and then probably like go for a coffee or something. I'm absolutely wrecked, absolutely tired, but this is the adventure that we came for, we signed up for. I definitely want to enjoy more as much as I could, because obviously it's only for 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks back to work, this view, man, like, you know, look at the back. It's absolutely amazing. Well, let's not miss any moment. Let's get onto the boat and then let's go. We have Errol John waiting for us. Alright guys, so the captain just said that basically we're going to Green Lagoon. As you can hear, there's no noise, no engine noise, no one here, because this place is absolutely secluded. So don't miss it out if you're coming here. It's called Green Lagoon. The water is green. That's why it's called Green Lagoon. I'll show you right now. See this video. Look at this, guys. The water is absolutely green. I'm not sure how deep it is, but probably 6-7 feet. Alright guys, so we are at the final place. We are going to relax here and just gonna park our boat on the shaded area. See how the shade has just come. Amazing day. Now we are heading towards the Coron city, but this is it, guys. This is it. Like, hope you liked it. You know, that's the most important thing. We enjoyed it, we loved it, and this is the final destination. As I said, this is the Green Lagoon. So you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe. Until then, guys, adios from Eddie.